Why does hair keep growing back after a Brazilian wax, even when it's pulled out from the root? The answer lies beneath your skin. This tiny structure is called a hair follicle, and it's where every hair begins. During a Brazilian wax, the hair is pulled out from the root in just a fraction of a second. But here's what most people don't realize: the hair follicle usually remains beneath your skin. Inside the follicle, specialized cells are already preparing to grow a new hair. Over the next few weeks, the new hair slowly begins growing toward the surface. This is part of your natural hair growth cycle. Waxing removes the hair, but the cycle continues. With repeated waxing over time, some hair follicles may become less active. As a result, some people notice finer or slower hair regrowth after years of regular waxing. However, everyone's body is different, so your results may not be the same as someone else's. So, every Brazilian wax removes the hair, but in most people, the hair follicle remains beneath the skin. Now you know what really happens beneath your skin after every Brazilian wax. Subscribe to MTH Health for more science-based health videos.